Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one dry machine, LG brand. It is condensation dry system. According to the customer having complained, it is while running time, it's making abnormal noise, like a friction noise. It's been abnormal. We check, actually it's very difficult to find out at customer home. Because of that, we collect to the washing machine, dry machine to our workshop. It's actually, we check with the load also, it's having some like a pricking noise. I'm suspecting it's coming from the motor V-belt pulley. Otherwise it's bearing gone. Because of that, we have to remove the machine first. After that only we can identify exactly 100% what is the problem, from where it's coming abnormal noise. Let's see, we have to remove the machine first and we will go to the next step. That's mean we have to remove the machine. We will go to the removing steps. We have to remove the back cover, 2 screws. After that we can remove the top cover. We have to remove the top cover now. It's like that. Now we have to check again. We will check once. Again we have to give the power and we will check once. And I gave the power and switch it on, and we check again. The machine is running actually. It's coming like a friction noise. Now we have to remove this cover. After that we can identify exactly where the noise coming. We will remove the side cover. Yes, now is increasing the noise. Now we are going to remove the front panel. We will stop the machine again. We have to remove the front cover with the door. We remove the side cover. We remove other one also. Now here motor. इसमें से नहीं है. We thought actually this coming from the V-belt pulley, but it is no any abnormal noise. Also it is very good, no any problem. But we found the problem here, this pipe came out and touched with the drum. It is small damage also. See, you can see. It's damaged also a little bit. And now we found the problem. This is the problem. No need to replace the belt. I'm thinking it is better to replace the belt, the hose, because it's damaged already. Now we have to change the hose. This is drain hose. Both it came touch with the drum. This hose already got damaged. It's touched with the drum. Now I'm going to replace the same hose because it's already damaged here. It's chance to come out water from the hose. Because of that, it's better to replace the hose. I having the same hose. Now I can replace this one. We are not going to replace this one because it's already damaged. We will fix this one and it will come to here. Before this one came out, because of that is touched with the drum. We have to remove, we have to fix like that. This is extra the over water dryer, drawer. It's all the drain water. After filling the drawer, it will come to here, and again it will go to the drain area, drain sump, and we will fix like that, both together. And this one, it will go for here, and this one is coming like this. And the here connector, we can if we need, we can fix to the out also, not going to the drawer. This is drain hose, and we will fix like this properly. Now I am going to fix the cable tie also. We are going to tighten the cable tie because it's chance to come again. Because of that, I am fixing here cable tie. We will fix here also because of the safety. But don't tie too much. Don't tie too much because the water should go through the hose. Now it's coming like that. Now we removed everywhere, we check. We found the problem. Now we have to refix and we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet again another video.